Good morning, MBP family. So happy, is it Labor Day? So we have some chicken on the grill. I was called to come out here and check on this, guys. I didn't even know this was going on because I had to speak to the kids. So this so far on the grill. Found out also that breadfruit roast already, people. Looking at the cat, the 2 breadfruit roasts. Who knew that? I was in my bed. I'm just going out to. I'm just going Dutch empty. I just came out to turn these. Uh-oh, it's a little rusty right there. Little bit of rust. Yeah. So I'm gonna go back inside and I think there's fish to be done. And Danny went out too. It's a beautiful day, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sunny day. Beautiful. Okay, so little by little we're getting there. So that's the vegetable salad. Nice. Tomatoes, onions, garlic, lettuce, green peppers. That's the onions, raw onion. Yeah. So we'll have that. As I said, we have breadfruit roasted outside. Chicken grilled outside already. Rice and peas done. Callaloo done. Oh my God, these kids. These kids is they will have a ball. They'll have a lot of choices. Then he's gonna brown stew some chicken, because that's what Sherry likes. So everything getting done. Thanks to Mr. Black for his chef skills. I'm just gonna do the potato salad now. Okay, guys, so here I am again. We have chicken that's gonna be brown stewed, I think. That's bubbling beer. There are my eggs for my potato salad. And the water is boiling for the potatoes. And one of the things that I realized, guys, I remember years ago when I used to do my potato salad, what used to happen was I used to boil the potatoes, like cut them in halves, boil them, and then once they're finished, I would then cut them into, dice them for the salad. But then I quickly learned that I need to dice them before I cook them. So when they're cooked, I'm not handling hot potatoes, trying to cut them into little pieces. So there's a potato. I put some carrots in to give it color. And so the water is getting ready to put them in. And so I will come back, guys, when I'm adding the ingredients or when the ingredients are added, so you can see. So far we have the callaloo ready, we have the rice and peas ready, we have the fish frying outside, we have breadfruit roasted outside, we have grilled chicken done. What else? We have a vegetable garden salad in the fridge ready. We have drinks, we have stuff for the babies. So today is just going to be a family day, guys. By God's grace, hopefully he brings them here safely. We'll have a good time together. I spoke with Jody this morning. Spoke to Chris. Spoke to Sheree. Didn't need to talk to Judy because her twin sister, whatever her twin sister says, she goes with. So sometimes she said, Mommy, when you talk to Jody, she talks to me, So you don't have to repeat the stories. I said, thank you. So I know that they will communicate. So thank God for, for his mercies, for his blessings, guys, that he has bestowed upon us, that as a family we can come together and break bread. Kids are not cussing at me, putting me down. I don't need to be cussing at them, treating them badly, because they're independent, they've worked hard, and they're self-sufficient. Danny, I have to give God thanks for him. As a stepfather for these children, you wouldn't know the difference. He has treated them better than any father. The kids, it's nice when Gia Marie and Grace said, Grandpa, where are you? Grandpa, Grandpa. And it's such a blessing, guys. So every day I get up, I have no reason to be ungrateful. I have to be thankful to God for all his blessings, for the people he has put in my life. Some who they come, they go, but there are others who are anchored in my life and who have just uplifted me, supported me in my endeavors, and hopefully by God's grace will be around for a long, long time. So again, guys, this is a potato salad. I did some carrots in it to give it color. I do have a can of mixed vegetables. Alright, so my MBP family today, potato salad end result here. Tastes so yummy. So in there is carrots, potatoes, corn, sweet peas, and a little paprika on top. And also have my mayonnaise, light mayonnaise. So you know what, guys, family is important, and it's a holiday week and everybody is home, and it is such a beautiful thing. And that's why I said, create good relationships with your children so that they want to be around you. Because when the holiday come and all roads lead to mommy, I'm not going to do something. And Danny is willing to get up and fish fry, corn roast, breadfruit roast, rice and peas cook, chicken brown stew. Oh my God, salad made. Everything done. He went back to the store, got what was needed, and it's a good thing. Callaloo cooked. What else? Fish fry. And then look what also came in, guys. I don't eat that, but the kids do eat that. Beautiful. So God is good. You just give, as I said, you give praise. The fish is there, everybody. Christopher not reached yet, but we're here. Just need the right cover. We're here. We're gonna be eating and thankful. I ate something already, and see my roast corn, people. And remember, ship sail pass. So much, man. Remember when you eat your roast corn? You get your roast corn, you put a fire on it, you turn up the watch it till it come done, and just shell off the grain in your hand. Everybody have them corn in your shell, hold it behind your back and say, ship sail. And them say, sail pass. I say, how many, man? And them have to guess so much corn in that corn grain in your hand. And if they guess it right, them get it. And if they guess it wrong, then you keep your corn grain them. Those were the good old days, man, when we sit down, no war, no strife, people not so hungry over money and land and all them something. The people were living good. And you had dinner, and you when corn time, you shell corn together, you broke pimento and shell pimento together, you do all them look at something there. And nobody have time for fight and war. Nowadays, everything you have to be careful what you say, how you say it. This kind of like a bun on it, but yep. So we give thanks, guys, and thanks for sharing with me as we celebrate this Labor Day weekend. Alright, thank you for your love and support always.